Hi, I'm Chen Gangchen, a postdoc at the Johns Hopkins University. I'm studying spatial and binaural processing in the lab of Xiaoqin Wang. Responses of neurons in auditory cortex are influenced by stimulus context. For example, cortical neurons exhibit stimulus-specific adaptation to stimuli that are presented with a high probability. Contextual modulations can occur in spectral, temporal, or spatial domain. However, comparing to spectral and temporal contextual effects, much less is known on spatial contextual effects. In this study, we discovered a location-specific facilitation instead of SSA to continuously presented sound stimuli in marmoset auditory cortex. In our studies, 15 equally spaced speakers were placed on semi-spherical surface centered around the animal's hand and above the horizontal plane. Under equal probability presentation mode, we recorded a single unit response to broadband noise randomly delivered from 15 locations in passively listening marmoset monkey. Here shows a spectral raster plot of 15 speakers. Stimulus from each speaker was repeated 10 times. Here shows the spatial reset field. This neuron prefers contralateral 90-degree azimuth and 40-degree elevation location. This is the location of repeatedly presented stimuli. Outside is spatial reset field, same elevation but 40-degree azimuth in front of animal. Here shows the average frame rate of 15 speakers in descending order. This neuron has 1 spike per second at the location of repeatedly presented stimuli. Under a continuous presentation mode, we recorded single unit responses to broadband noise repeatedly delivered from single location. To our surprise, instead of inducing adaptation as expected from well-documented SSA literature, repetitive stimulation evoked lasting facilitation. Notice this neuron has facilitation phase lasting up to 42 consecutive trials with frame rate more than 10 spikes per second. Here shows the spatial reset field and the location of repeatedly presented stimuli. Under continuous presentation mode, exemplar membrane potential of trial 1, 44, and 128 gradually depolarized. Here shows the membrane potential and frame rate changes over all trials. Notice that membrane potential and frame rate became stable after 80 trials. Check my poster number 6 today for location-specific facilitation.